Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly understand drug nomenclature in a simple and easy way. Drug nomenclature refers to the system used to name the medicines correctly so that healthcare professionals and students can identify, prescribe, and use them safely. Now, what do we understand by the chemical name? So the chemical name is the scientific name that explains the exact chemical structure of a drug. It uses complex scientific terminology, so it is usually understood only by the chemists, researchers, and scientists. Although it is most accurate name, it is not commonly used in hospitals or pharmacies because it is too long. For example, the chemical name for acetaminophen is N-acetyl P means para aminophenol. This name tells us precise arrangement of the atoms in the drug. Now, what do we understand by the generic name or non-proprietary name? The generic name is the official, universally accepted name of a drug. It is much simpler than the chemical name and is approved by international bodies such as INN or International Non-Proprietary Names by the WHO and USAN or United States Adopted Name Council. The generic name remains the same no matter which country manufactures the drug. It helps avoid the confusion because everyone uses the same name in prescriptions, textbooks, and medical discussions. For example, acetaminophen is the generic name. The generic names often follow certain suffix or prefix patterns to show the drug class. For example, pril for the ACE inhibitors. Now, what do we understand by brand name or proprietary or trade name? So, the brand name is the name given by a company for marketing the drug. It is usually short, catchy, and easy to remember. Brand names are trademarked, which means only that company can use the name. Many companies can produce the same generic drug and give it different brand names. For example, Tylenol is a brand name for acetaminophen. Brand names may differ from country to country, which is why healthcare professionals prefer using generic names for their clarity and safety. How do international naming systems help us? So systems such as INN or USAN create standard naming rules so that the same drug is recognized by the same generic name worldwide. These systems help prevent the confusion, allow smooth communication between healthcare professionals across the countries, and make learning drug names much easier for the students. Why is drug nomenclature so important? So, drug nomenclature is important because it promotes safety. Using proper names helps avoid medication errors, ensures accurate prescribing and dispensing, and allows all healthcare workers or the professionals to communicate clearly. Understanding the difference between chemical, generic, and brand names also helps students easily identify drugs in exams and clinical practices. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful notes with that the lecture.